These are the original LÖWE pruners. They're the inventor of the anvil pruners. They're the best quality anvil pruners in the world, in my opinion. They're new to Canada, and these are the 2.104 and 1.104 pruners. The 2.104 has an adjustable handle, so you can increase or decrease the width. The 1.104 does not. So they're essentially very similar, except they have, one of them has, the 2.104 has an adjustable handle. Well, easy lock mechanism with one finger, one thumb. You can get these at bigbeartools.com or LÖWEPrunersCanada.com.